Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a lovely, wonderful day so far. My name is Mandy. Thank y'all so much for being here. Today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to style a colorful statement bag in 4 different ways, and you can use this with any bag that you already have in your closet, but today we are going to be talking specifically about this Teddy Blake AVA bag in this gorgeous juicy yellow color. I've actually featured Teddy Blake handbags on my channel several times at this point. I absolutely love the brand. They really stand up. They're high quality. And if you've never heard of the brand or if you've never tried the brand, in a nutshell, they are a luxury handbag brand without the luxury price tag. And from what I understand from the website, or what I gather from the website, they actually get the same quality leather from the same leather manufacturers as like these high-end premier fashion houses, the brands that I've always wanted to try but never had the budget for. So if you're interested in trying out the brand for the very first time, or if you're interested in adding to your collection, I will have a coupon code found in the description box below. Definitely check it out. It will help to save you some money. But with all that being said, if you are on a low buy or even if you are on a no buy, I still hope that you stick around. Maybe consider liking and subscribing. I will have some really fun and interesting outfit ideas that you can maybe put together with things that you already have in your closet. And yeah, let's just get started. All right, y'all, so the bag that we're gonna be talking about today is gonna be this absolutely gorgeous Teddy Blake AVA bag with the gold hardware in this scrumptious, juicy, vibrant yellow color. I have never seen a yellow handbag quite like this before. At least I've never touched a handbag quite like this before. And Teddy Blake has pulled out all the stops with this bag. The details are gorgeous. It even has the yellow suede on the inside. It's the little subtle details. The seams are so beautifully done, and the smooth, buttery texture of the leather. It feels really malleable in your hands. And then the little intricacies of the metal pieces and the stamping and the branding is just, it's a beautiful, lovely, wonderful experience. And I'm just addicted to their bags basically. But anyway, I'm just gonna ramble on and on and on all day about this bag. Let's get into the styling portion of this video right now. All right, y'all, so if you're interested in any of the clothes or the shoes that you see in today's video, and of course the bag, then I will have all the links to everything mentioned found in the description box below. But the first styling option is gonna be probably the most obvious to y'all, and that is incorporating like colors into your outfit. So these are the palazzo pants and a plain black t-shirt that I picked up from Walmart, I wanna say about 2 or 3 weeks ago. And I wanted to demo something that would go with multiple colors. So regardless of the color of the bag that you choose to buy for spring and summer, these will help to pull it all together. One thing that I absolutely love is the vibrancy of the yellow that kind of blends with the gold metal hardware accents that really complements the bag very, very well. So I chose some gold jewelry to kind of drive that home. You can also wear this bag crossbody if you wanted to by letting out the shoulder straps a little bit, just a little bit, which really makes the yellow pop against the black beautifully. So speaking of black, the second way that you can style this bag is by pairing it against a very dark background. Y'all know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, I love a good like edgy 90s grunge look. So black ripped up jeans and a cool band tee makes it seem a little bit more accidental rather than the intentional sort of like flirty preppy style from outfit number 1. The jeans here you've probably seen from a previous video, but in case you're new to the channel, these are the skater jeans from Rue 21. But the Nirvana Tee is from Walmart in the men's section, so it's a little bit oversized. It has a little bit longer lines, and I mean the yellow face, it kind of stabilizes it a bit, even though it is different yellows entirely. Regardless of the colors though, the Teddy Blake bag looks amazing, and I actually prefer to hold this by the body of the bag because I think it looks a little bit more cooler. More cooler, Mandy? Really? More cooler? I don't even know. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. You can hold the bag however you want to, whichever makes you feel more comfortable. The third way that I style a colorful handbag, which is completely opposite of the last style that I just showed you, is going all white. So whether it's a maxi dress, a mini dress, or just comfortable white jeans. But really and truly, although white is just a shade that I have generally stayed away from because I find that it has a tendency to make me look bigger. That's just my opinion though. Let me know your opinion on white in the comment section down below. But incorporating a statement bag or even a statement shoe, or both in this situation, kind of takes the focus off the body and plants it directly on the things, you know, the things. So this dress is actually from Walmart, and unfortunately I picked it up in a couple of sizes too small, but you know, we gotta Tim gun it, we gotta make it work somehow. And I don't know what it is, but the white actually brings out the color of the bag and it almost complements it in a way. So if you have a statement bag already in your collection, you have a red one or a blue one. I'm not trying to go all America here. America! It does really grab the attention though, and I do really appreciate that. I also added some jewelry to kind of help mesh everything together, and I love the way it looks. So now we're on to outfit number 4, and this one is going to be a denim on denim look using mismatched shades. I've been trying to say that for like 45 minutes now. That's the best that I can do, but I've always enjoyed the whole denim on denim look, except when it's like super matchy-matchy. You know, I'm talking about like the whole Britney Spears, Justin Timberlake days. I don't even think I liked it back then, honestly. So let me know in the comment section, did you like that look back then? But anyway, I digress. So to keep the eyes moving, I'm actually wearing some statement jeans from the brand Fashion to Figure. If you've been around a while, these will probably look familiar because I actually featured these in a video, I want to say last summer or so, but I really like the way these look. It makes it look a little bit more on trend, a little bit more intentional. Plus the light blue denim against the yellow of the bag helps to make it stand out and really kind of catch the eye. The shirt that I actually chose to pair with this overall outfit is from a recent Ashley Stewart video. I will link that to the top of the video somewhere if you haven't seen it and would like to. But Teddy Blake actually has a handbag called Blue Jeans that is absolutely gorgeous. It would look phenomenal with this. I don't know if they have it in this AVA style, but I'm definitely going to check and leave all that information down in the description box below. Either way, I hope this video is a helpful guide to kind of assist you with styling your own statement bag that you've always wanted to try but was a little bit too hesitant to, or it can help you get out of your fashion comfort zone. Sometimes it just takes a little bit of color to change your whole perspective on things. Alright y'all, that is going to do it for the styling a Teddy Blake statement bag. I hope y'all found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please give it a like and a subscribe. You know your girl would appreciate it. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. I always appreciate each and every one of you. Please stay safe and stay healthy, and I'm going to be seeing y'all very, very soon. Bye!